we're going to attend a birthday party. My bit. And
I just put in my books because I like it.
And then they forgot to bring the birthday card. Okay. It's morning. I'm already tired, like my back.
I'm already starving. I'm starving a lot now.
You're starving? You're starving?
I'm starving so much. I'm starving so much.
Ako dinala ko na lang yung cart. I wish I bring the cart though.
Why didn't you bring it?
I didn't expect it's heavy because your water is here. Hi guys, good morning. Enjoy your breakfast.
Hello, Dave.
We're gonna attend birthday party before.
Soon.
Yeah, we're gonna help decorate. So, hey, Mike is here. Malcolm, come on, eat na, be. Yeah, we're gonna search. We're gonna go to the party hall, and we're looking for the party hall. Nice wind. "25 sunrise." This is a nice.
Whoa, that's a very cool party.
Later inside. Baka nasa loob pa sila.
SUV yun, di ba, white? Car? Tawagan ko siya. Tawagan ko siya, Nay? Sige, tawagan mo. Dali lang. Nasaan kayo? Oo. Oh, buksan mo kami! Hindi na makita yung sasakyan ng Mars.
Nandito na.
Kay ni Juan, si Charlie Ford.
Vicky, open the door for me, babe.
Ano?
Talaga lang.
Sa kabila?
Bango dito ah.
Sabi nga ni CG, baka sa kabila mo. Di ba ito yung malaki pa, Nay? Ito yung bang malaki? Oh, ito yung malaki. Doon sa kabila yung ano ng kay Nani Nora, no? Di ba? Kay Nani dito. Oh, ito kay Nani Nora. Sa March.
Dito ng mga badyaw.
Badyaw.
Sabi ko, ba't hindi mo dala CG yung bakit mo? Kailan, nandito naman kami. Kaya nga, sabi ko nga sa kanya. Huwag ko sa kanya. Akala ko nga.
Maganda dito.
It's okay. Dali mo na lang ako ito pass. Oo. Akin na lang bang ba't pass ako mamaya. Dali mo na lang yung gamit na na. Ay, hindi ko lang ang gamit na. Nakaready na. Nakaready na.
Yung nalaglag yung ano, yung ilaw ng ano.
Ay, iba pala ito. Nanay naman.
Ito yun, ito.
Ito kay Nanay Nora.
Ito kay Nanay Nora. O baka na lang yung
Hello, lechon. Makinang-kinang lechon. Ayan, tingnan natin yung mga... Ayan, si nanay, may birthday. Si nanay, may birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ayan. May mga luto ni nanay's best, oh.
Yeah.
Meron tayo nitong minudo. Minudo to mother?
Yeah.
Minudo.
And
papaitan.
Pinapaitan ni nanay na masarap.
Simmer muna natin. Tapos itong isa, ano to?
Pinapaitan din.
Ay, dami paitan. But we're not bitter. Tapos, dito tayo sa mga kakanin. Biko, puto ni nanay. Ito ano to? Pichi-pichi ba yan? Kutsinta. And happy birthday. Ayan. Maraming pagkain dito. Sisig. Igado. Fried chicken. Fried rice. Spring roll. Pansit. Mamaya palabok. Marami pang iba na darating. And nandito yung
Maganda.
mga
Tita.
cake.
Tita. Maganda.
Yeah. And here is our decoration. Me and Reggie
It's so cute.
made it. Yeah.
What's in the goodie bags? We sit at the table.
Well, can you make it straight there? Because straight.
Oh.
Yeah, like that.
There.
Okay? Yeah. Thank you, Malcolm.
And we set it at the
Oh, I think we have to move a little bit because when they open, how you call this? When they do like that, we have to move this table a little bit there. Yeah, see? Right? So that they have enough space.
Just like a little bit.
No, not there because it's here. We're gonna move here.
Wait, let's get down here.
sa pagpapatuloy ng paglilingkod po sa inyong pananako. Kaya muli po, Panginoon, sa pangalan po ng aming mananako na si Panginoon Jesucristo. Amen. Thank you so much, everyone. Alright, let's give
Andre.
happy birthday song to our birthday celebrant, okay?
All right.
Ready? Okay, wait. Wait natin yung...
Ready, sing.
Here we go. Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more, with a clap your hand.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ay, nauna.
Thank you very much, everyone.
Stream of JB7, Who's Got Talent of ABS-CBN. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Let's give a round of applause for Alvin, the illusionist.
All right. Hello, kids. Are you ready for the magic show? Are you ready? Okay, here we go. All right, kids. Watch. This is the red silk, right? Okay, one. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. All right. Whoa. All right, come on. All right, here we go. One more. All right. Magic. Okay, ready? 1, 2, stop. There you go. Whoa. Okay, sit down, kids, sit down. All right. Here you go. All right, ready? Go. Okay, here we go. Right. Okay, one more. Whoa. Whoops! What is the color of this one? Very good. And the next one? Yellow. Very good. And the third one? Red. Very good. And the last one is? Black. Okay, here we go. Alright. Here we go, guys. Okay, gotta put some chili inside. Okay, gotta put inside the hole the red soup, okay? Alright, what's the color? Red. And what's the color of the chili? Black, okay. Now it's down to red. Alright? Okay, one more. One more. Okay, here we go. What color this one? Blue? Alright. Blue color. And the third one. Okay, watch guys. Here we go. Don't close your eyes.